If you want to delete your YouTube account on iPhone, this full step-by-step guide will show you how to remove your YouTube channel permanently. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, on the top, you will see Account. Tap on that. After that, you will see Different option. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Now, go to the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down until you find Delete a Google service. You may be asked to sign in again for security. After that, it will show Different option on your screen, but I do not want to remove my account, so that I will only tell you all the steps clearly. Here it is. After that, follow the on-screen steps. Confirm your choice, and your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted. Ah, Keep in mind, this will remove all your videos, comments, and data from YouTube. So, yeah, that's how you can delete your YouTube account on iPhone easily and permanently.